Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to link Coinbase to Coinbase Wallet. First, download the Coinbase Wallet app to your phone. Make sure your main Coinbase Exchange account is fully set up and verified. Remember, Coinbase Wallet is a separate self-custody application, giving you full control over your private keys. This process connects the two for easier asset management. Next, open your Coinbase Wallet app. Look for the settings icon, usually found in the bottom navigation or a menu. Within settings, you'll find an option to link your Coinbase account. Tapping this will prompt you to securely sign into your Coinbase Exchange account, initiating the connection process between the two platforms. After signing in, you'll see a screen detailing the permissions Coinbase Wallet needs to link. Read these carefully to understand what you are authorizing. Once you are comfortable, confirm the connection within your Coinbase account. You should then see a confirmation message in both your Coinbase Wallet and Coinbase Exchange apps, indicating a successful link. With your accounts linked, you can now easily transfer cryptocurrencies between your Coinbase Exchange and Coinbase Wallet. This makes moving assets for self-custody or decentralized finance activities much smoother. Transfers are typically fast, often completing in just a few minutes, and usually incur only standard network transaction fees. Enjoy managing your crypto with greater flexibility.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.